further trigonometry. Let's have a basic of further trigonometry. We plot coordinate axis, and we plot this coordinate axis just to show that the part which lies between x and y axis is called first quadrant. This is always the second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. These are the four quadrants. As we know that basic angle between first quadrant is 90, so 90 degree is an angle in every quadrant.
Yes.
Okay, so this y-axis is at 90 degree, this is x-axis is at 180 degree, and the negative part of y-axis is at 270. This is 360. So when you start with this part, so we say that this is zero angle. We say that all or positive. This is sine is positive, and in third quadrant only tan is positive, and in the fourth quadrant it is cos which is positive. All positive mean, when we say all positive, it means we are taking sine positive, we are taking cos positive, and we are taking tan positive. You must be thinking why all these values are positive. If you use any acute angle, you know that in first quadrant we have acute angle. We write sine of any angle which is acute. Let us suppose I'll write sine of angle 30. When I use the calculator and get the answer, I'll get this answer, and this answer is positive. So any acute angle with any ratio, sine, cos or tan, it will give you some answer which is positive. So tan of 30 will give you 1 over under root 3. It's positive sign. At the same time, if we consider the angle in the second quadrant, let us suppose the angle which are in second quadrant would be greater than 90 and less than 180. It means these angle would be obtuse angle. So sine of 120 would give you answer under root 3 by 2. Cos of 120 will give you answer minus 1 over 2. Now very first time you'll see this negative sign with cos, and the angle is in second quadrant. So tan of 120 will give you negative root of 3. Okay, so when we are saying all are positive, so sine positive mean sine at acute angle will give you positive answer. So sine positive, cos positive, tan positive mean we are getting some positive answer.
Okay.
When we say that in second quadrant cos is positive, so any obtuse angle from the second quadrant will give you positive answer, but with cos it will give you negative answer, and with tan it will give you negative answer. Okay, when we come to the third quadrant, in third quadrant only tan will give you positive answer, sine is negative, and cos is negative. Likewise, in fourth quadrant, when cos is positive, then other trigonometrical ratios will give you negative answer.